A three-vehicle crash in McDonald County. Serious crash. One person flown to a Springfield hospital.
It was just before 2:45 Friday afternoon west of Goodman on State Route B. Goodman Fire arrived, discovering a driver trapped in a vehicle hanging over a creek. The driver faced an extended extrication from the passenger car. We learned that 2021 Chevy Malibu had crossed the center line, struck a Ford F-150 and Honda Civic that were going the opposite direction. After the 25-year-old Goodman man was cut from the car, a waiting Mercy Lifeline Air ambulance flew him to Cox Springfield, suffering serious injuries. Click the bit link for updates. This breaking news story.
In McDonald County, I'm Shannon Becker, KOAM News Now, Joplin News First.